Hello there and welcome to Lower 6 Maths A-Level Practice Paper D. Here we're working on question 7. f of x equals x squared minus k plus 8x plus k, so 8k plus 1. Find the discriminant of f of x in terms of k as a simplified quadratic. Okay, so the discriminant is b squared minus 4ac. So in this term here, a is going to be the value of effectively 1 at the front of the x squared. B is going to be the minus k plus 8, and c is going to be 8k plus 1. So this is going to be minus k plus 8 squared, take away 4 times 1 times 8k plus 1. Okay, simplifying this, we're going to get, so the minus would disappear, so it's effectively just going to be k squared plus 16k from the expansion plus 64. And then we're going to take away 32k, and we're going to take away a 4 as well. So we end up with k squared minus 16k plus 60. Okay, great. If the equation f of x equals 0 has two equal roots, find possible values of k. Okay, so if we have equal roots, then b squared minus 4ac will equal 0. So what we want is k squared minus 16k plus 60 to equal 0. Factorize, you get k minus 10 and k minus 6. So k is either 10 or k equals 6. Show that when k equals 8, f of x is greater than 0 for all values of x. So f of x for when k is 8 is going to be 8 plus 8 is 16, so it's going to be x squared minus 16x, and plug in an 8 here, you get 64, add 1, you get 65. Okay, so the easiest way to prove that something's greater than 0 for all values of x is to complete the square. So I'm going to do 8, so x minus 8, that's half of 16 squared. Then we have to take away 64, because that's 8 squared, and then add on the 65 previously. So this is going to give us x minus 8 squared plus 1. Thank goodness for that, we get a positive there. And now we just have to write a sentence explaining ourselves. So as for all values of x, x minus 8 squared is either going to be greater than or equal to 0. Therefore, we'll explain that as anything squared is positive, so therefore x minus 8 squared add 1 is going to be definitely greater than or equal to 0. So when x is 8, we're going to get an answer that is exactly 0, but as soon as we have to plus 1 on anyway, it always is definitely going to be greater than 0. Okay, so 8 marks there.